Hey guys, welcome. So today, me and the boy, my youngest here, Curdy, is going to be checking out his brand new RC car. Now, I aren't sure what make it is, but it's a 1/12 scale 4-wheel drive, hobby grade, looks pretty cool, suspension's not bad, but he's never used it. This is the transmitter, so we're going to take it outside and see what it does, aren't we? Yeah, it's the one I'm going to be using, the WL Toys 12428. I'm sure you've seen plenty about this by now, it's all over the internet. So yeah, we're going to get them outside, see what they can do.
That's not me making that.
So apparently we know what we're doing now, so we turn that off. And what we do is we turn this on first. That's flashing. Then you hold this and turn that on. Oh! I think we've got it. Can Daddy have a little go?
Yeah.
Wow!
How fast it goes.
I don't think he wants to come out, mate. Of course you can, right, that's you set up. Just take it steady. Turn, not on the road. That's it, back this way, left. Oh, you've got to stop pressing it. Go on then. You did. That's it, turn it. Go on. Oh, he's ragging it, Watch it, oh, watch yourself. Stop pressing it. It does say 14 plus on the box, but fuck it, he loves it. Look at that, that's a bit naughty, isn't it? Straight in that puddle. Is that you doing it fully, Curdy? Press it as hard as you can. Never mind, go on then, you're alright. Oh, up the tree. Go on, go turn it over. Go on, go turn it over. Go on then. Over the can. He does it. Up me! Ah! Tried to stay out that water. Don't go through that water, Curdy. Try to stay out that water, mate. Yeah, it's not bad, you've got it. Oh! Not in the water, Curdy. Go get it then. Go get it then. Oh, really? He is stuck in it. Right, don't press any buttons then.
No.
Don't press it because you'll just break the motor, mate. Oh, wow. You have got that stuck. Maybe try not to drive it in there, yeah? Go on then. Don't do that, don't do that. The moment you're stuck, mate, stop. He's bashing it. He don't care, does he? Remember to do the steering as well. Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
What?
Just saying, you're good, mate. You're good. Oh. Not near that water. Stay away from that water. I mean, I don't know what it's going to be like long term, but... Oh, steady on, Cody! But just out the box, it's impressive.
Dad, it's going to crash into the car.
Well, just try not to crash it. I know it's hard sometimes, but just try your best not to. That wire's poking out a bit. Let's put that back in there. That took a hard hit. Ahead, the clunk. Are we good? I think we're good. Stuck again. Go on then.
Oh, that is a bit broken.
It's not broken.
No, it's that.
This?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is. Oh! Yeah, maybe don't do that again. But it takes it. Just did a skid. Oh! Oh, that's cool, that Cody. Do you know what? That car was £30. For a £30 car, that is impressive. Cody! Not through the water! I know he's only young, he doesn't know, does he? But I don't want him to break it. Well, I suppose we'll find out if it's waterproof, won't we? Go on then! Hey! Shall I have a go? Right, go on then. That way. Stay away from that water though, please. Steady! Coming straight for me, lad. He loves it, he loves it, he's mental. He's mental. Away from the water, steer away from the water. So turn it right. That's it, you're doing good there, mate. Let's see what I can do with it up this tree again. Well, turn round then. Look, I told you, didn't I? I said steer it to the right. That thing's awesome. Yes! Tricks off the tree. He just takes it over and over again. What?
I just did a wheelie.
You just did a wheelie?
Yeah.
No way. Go on then. Oh wow. Oh, steady of the fence. Don't do that, Cody, you will break it. No. You stay on the car park. Right, stay away from that fence then, 'cause if you break it, you'll be in trouble. Oh. Oh. That's the WL Toys done. It's got that low voltage protector in it, so I've heard that when this happens, you kind of stop playing to save you damaging your battery. So that's us out. So now we'll watch the boy for the rest of his battery life and see how his gets on. But that thing, that's a demon. I love it. Absolutely love it. There's no damage, there's no nothing. And that took a few hard hits then. And look at it, it's just stood up to it all. Absolutely no sweat. How's yours going, Cody? Good? You carrying on?
No.
No? Can I have a go? Can I have a little test with it?
I want to show you my wheelie one.
Go on then, you show me your wheelie.
Oh,
Oh, steady. Yeah?
can you take this thing off me?
Take what off you?
The flower.
You got a bit of mud on your face. Oh! Oh, it does! Watch the fence. I think you might have just broke it. What was that?
Can I just show you my big relay?
You've just snapped your shell, mate. Look. You just broke his shell. It is a basher. And you've lost a clip somewhere. Can we see the clip? Can you see a little clip anywhere? One of them? It's alright, we've got more in the house. It's only the shell as well, the car's taking it, and it. The car's fine. Go on, carry on. Stay away from that water.
Please get away from the water.
Yeah then. You don't like it when it's near the water, do you? Look. Look at it there, how long's it been going for? And it's still. That is starting to die.
Yeah. Dad, I want to show you my last relay. One more relay, Dad.
Go on then. Do you want me to stand it up for you?
Yeah.
You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Again, let me get it away from that water. Then you can do it backwards.
Dad, that's enough now.
That's enough, is it?
Yeah. You're going back inside.
You're going back inside?
Yeah,
Just quickly, what do you think of the car? Do you like it? What do you like about it?
Yeah. I'll go on to it.
What do you like about it?
I like it when he does the wheelies.
You like it when he does the wheelies, and is it fast enough?
Yeah, and Dad, I love it when it goes this fast.
Go on then.
I'll show you when it goes.
Go on then, how fast does it go? That's pretty fast. Pretty fast. And the battery life is not bad at all. It's lasted longer than mine. Yeah?
No, I want to go inside now.
You go inside then, I'll be in a minute. Can I finish having a little go?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. I mean, obviously he's looking a bit peaky with the shell being up and that. Oh, but it takes it. But yeah, for 30 quid, you can't grumble at that at all. So we'll get it inside. Right, so here they are. You've seen what they can do. Really impressed with this one. Obviously, we all love the WL toys. We know this. Like, this is all over the place at the minute, so everyone knows how good this is. But this thing for £30, I mean, he has broke the shell, but he was driving it clean into wall. The kid's 4 years old. You know what I mean? It says on the box 14 plus. So what do you expect? But I think mechanically it's absolutely fine. We're going to have a look in a minute. This is the box. So it's Subitech Top Racing Series Tornado, ready to run. 112 scale. It's not a crawler whatsoever. Don't believe that. Proportional 4-wheel drive. 7.4 volt battery. Shock absorbers. Servo. Bear with me 1 minute. Get on your bed, Brookie. Dog again. So they've apparently got metal bearings, metal differential. Do you know what I mean? And you see the speed of it for £30. How can you go wrong, really? So I'll show you what's underneath here. Give you a proper look. Plus, I kind of want to check that nothing's broken. He did give it a few hard hits, as you may have seen. We will do a video just solely on this car at some point, but for now, he's been begging to have a go. Bear with me 1 minute, I'm just going to put the camera down. Alright, so this is underneath the shell. Now everything has got a little bit damp. That's not very good. I did tell him to stay away from the puddles, but you know what kids are like. But on the damage side of things, everything looks tip top. I don't think anything bad's happened. I can't see anything. Hopefully I'm not missing anything. All lights are okay. Let's have a look at the back. The motor looks fairly dry in there. Everything looks alright there, no cracks. I mean, everything's a bit muddy, a few scrapes on the bottom. I don't like that, the fact that the battery's so open on the bottom. If you do hit puddles, that battery compartment's taking the full blow of that, innit? But again, for £30, and according to the booklet, you can get all the pieces. I'm not sure how easy they are to source, but we'll come to that when something breaks. But yeah, for a first car for a young one, you know, I mean, he's 4 years old, and you've seen him handle it. He was pretty good, so you get a 6-7 year old on this, and they're going to have no problems. And with a little bit of help, it wheelies. So yeah, cool car. I love it. I think it's great for £30. I'd happily have one myself, just for bashing about. You know what I mean? The hobby we're into, it's expensive, so £30, even if it breaks, just buy another one and save this one for spares. Keep the parts that aren't broken. So yeah, WL Toys, you've seen what that can do. This thing's just awesome. Absolutely love it. You've seen it flipping, ramping up that tree. I've kicked its ass, and again, there's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. It's absolutely fine. I drove it clean, full pelt into the curb, thinking it was a jump. It wasn't. It just ate it. It's just got a bit of mud in its teeth. But apart from that, it just took the lot. It's not a problem whatsoever. So again, I can't say enough for this car. I'll drop a link for both cars in the description. So if you want to grab one of these yourself, if you want to spend a bit more money, this one's looking at around, it ranges between £55 and £70. This one, 30 quid. That's all I can find it for, 30 quid. I've only seen it on eBay. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else, but I'll have a look around, drop you some links, you can pick either of these up. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe, bash that like button, leave a comment if you want to know anything else. And yeah, we'll be back again soon with more RC videos. Thank you so much. See you later.